Forget about whether our local, whether no be we where the thing reach. You understand? This our local now. It's problem for Nigeria. Forget. You don't say it in anywhere. Then hear the. Yes, then hear that our local, then go beat you. You say our local, then go beat you. Forget about that comment. Nothing like our local. Waiting our local, not be poverty where reach us. Poverty, hunger. People now dying every second, every minute. We don't need all those ones. Let them forget about the jet. If this one not be the first and the last, I've said it the last time. Say if Baba no competent to rule Nigeria, let him move. Make him resign. Make him resign there. Make another person enter. Old age is worrying him. Old age is worrying him. I think this need the swagger, the dobale waiting. October 1st they come. We go see the one where goes. Whether na swagger, whether na swag, now you go talk.
All right, there you go.